improvement theory, the second one is vital theory, and you are seeing them here. The first one is creative theory. Then this one states that the children progresses in four stages of thinking: sensory motor, then operational, concrete operation, and formal operation. Each stage is marked by unique ways of understanding, and in what they are doing, we are able to aid them. Then also about this theory, we see that this field is developed in four stages, and in those four stages, we are the ones who equip them. The four stages again, we have the infancy stage. Which is 0 to 2 years. We have prenatal. This is before year, before birth. 1 year to 0 years, and that is the period before birth. We also have the childhood stage. This one is the ranging from 2 to 12 years. Then we also have the adolescent stage from 12 to 19. The next one is the adult stage, that is from 19 to 25. Then another from 55. Then the old stage from 55 and above. Those are the stages. Now, younger, it also states that younger learners benefit more from concrete works more than abstract reasoning. Now, when you are helping a kid, it's better to give him or her works which will require him or her to use hands better than using the brain. But when we go to the older people, they always want to be given work that require them to think about certain works. That was the Piaget's cognitive development theory. Then as a teacher, what do? We make sure that the learners are given tasks which will require them to use hands, and for the mature people, we give them things that require them to think cognitively. Now, second, we're going to consider social theory. Then this concept states that it emphasizes that the learning is a social process influenced by interaction with teachers and peers. His concept of zone of proximity. He mentioned about this one, zone of development, CPD. So that this CPD, it is defined as the stages or steps taken by a learner to understand what he or she is given. Now, how this one highlights the learner to achieve more things in whatever they are doing. Now, this one states that we as teachers, we are supposed to give learners simple steps or some steps before we give them work. For example, if you are a teacher of mathematics, you go there, then you give them the first example, you calculate it, the second you calculate it, then you give them the exercise of 7 numbers. There you have them in doing their work, and they have achieved it successfully. Thank you for listening. I had those points for you.